Subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon to get updated with Bobas Aviation.
Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Bobas Aviation. This is Devojit. In my previous videos, a lot of you friends have asked me a common question: how to identify a Boeing and an Airbus airplanes. So this video is for you guys.
Take your seats for landing. Thank you.
Before coming to the differences between Boeing and Airbus, let's know about the history of them. Boeing is an American-based company which was founded in 1916 by William Edward Boeing. If we look into the Airbus formation history, then Airbus is an European company which was established in 1960. I have already made a video on their history of formation. You can watch the video, link is given in the description box below. So this was about their history. Now let's come to the visual difference of aircraft. How you will identify a Boeing and Airbus aeroplanes. So the first difference is the shape of their aircraft noses. Well, if you compare the nose shape, you will see that the Boeing has a pointed nose, while Airbus has a rounded nose. On the right side, I have Boeing 737 and Airbus 320 on the other side. I hope you have spotted out the difference. Apart from this, if you observe the aircraft's engine inlet cowling, then you will find that the Airbus 320 has a round engine front, while Boeing 737 is tapered from the bottom. This is designed because the aircraft 320 wing has a more ground clearance than Boeing 737. Coming to the second difference, which is their cockpit windshield shape. The Boeing windshield has a pointed cut, or you can say a sharp V cut. While if you look into the Airbus windshield, then there is a small cut on the top edge of the windshield. This is the comparison between a Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft and an Airbus 330 aircraft. You can also identify a Boeing 787 Dreamliner through its pointed end of the engine cowling. Third difference is the nose landing gear door. These are the two images of an Airbus 320 and Boeing 737. You can clearly see that only a small portion of the landing gear door is open in Airbus, while Boeing's landing gear door is fully open when it is parked. However, this point is not valid for every models of Boeing and Airbus. This is the image of a Boeing 777. You can clearly see that not the full landing gear door is open in this case. Fourth difference is the shape of their tail cones. From the two images displayed here, you can clearly identify the tail cone of an Airbus is rounded, while the Boeing's tail cone is tapered in shape. You might get confused with an Airbus 330 and Boeing 777 aircraft, which have almost similar shapes. So how to identify the difference? Well, if you observe the wheel arrangement of both the models, then you will see that a Boeing 777 has a triple bogie landing gear arrangement, while an Airbus A330 has a double bogie landing gear arrangement. You can identify a Boeing 757 with their high landing gears and a Boeing 767 with their winglets, which are held perpendicular to the wings. While a Airbus 350 aircraft can be identified from their extremely smooth designed sharklets. Apart from this, you can identify a Boeing 717 with its both engines attached at the back of their fuselage. And the Boeing 727 is the only aircraft in their company carrying 3 engines, that is, it is a tri-engine aircraft. Both Boeing 747 and Airbus 380 are double-deck and both are fitted with 4 engines, but Boeing 747 is not fully double-deck, while Airbus 380 is a fully double-decked aircraft. So these are the differences you can spot by observing the aircrafts of different types visually from outside. So if you get any other differences, then don't forget to comment down below. You can share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. See you in another video of Bobas Aviation. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.